Welcome to Miyajima, also known as Itsukushima, a small island in Hiroshima Bay.
Please proceed group entrance. Please proceed group entrance.
Here stands one of Japan's most iconic landmarks, Itsukushima Shrine, famous for its floating Torii gate. This Shinto shrine is not only a place of worship, but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, admired worldwide for its beauty and history. The site has been considered sacred since ancient times. Local fishermen likely built a simple shrine here to honor the gods of the sea. Tradition says the shrine was formally established in 593 CE during the reign of Empress Suiko by a local governor named Saeki no Kuramoto. The shrine was dedicated to three daughters of the storm god Susanoo: Itsukushima Hime no Mikoto, Tagori Hime no Mikoto, and Tagitsu Hime no Mikoto. These deities were believed to protect the imperial family, safeguard the nation, and ensure safe journeys for seafarers. In 1168, the powerful warlord Taira no Kiyomori rebuilt the shrine in grand style. He chose the Shinden-zukuri architectural style, which was used for aristocratic residences. The shrine was constructed on stilts over the water, so worshippers could approach by boat and avoid defiling the sacred island with their footsteps. This design gave the shrine its unique appearance, with corridors and halls seeming to float above the sea. The famous Torii gate, standing offshore, became a symbol of purity and a gateway between the human and divine worlds. Over the centuries, Itsukushima Shrine attracted emperors, aristocrats, and shoguns. Former Emperor Go-Shirakawa visited in 1174, and retired Emperor Takakura came in 1180. Later, the shrine was supported by the Genji clan, the Ashikaga shoguns, and the Mori clan during the Warring States period. Each era brought new structures, repairs, and cultural influences. The shrine complex eventually grew to include dozens of wooden buildings, walkways, and even a 5-story pagoda nearby. The island was considered so holy that battles were forbidden there. Yet in 1555, the warlord Mori Motonari fought against Su Takafusa on Itsukushima, breaking the taboo and spilling blood on sacred ground. Despite this, Motonari later rebuilt parts of the shrine, including the main hall in 1571. Legends also tell of divine crows guiding the shrine's founders, and of the gods ensuring prosperity for those who honored them. In the modern era, Itsukushima Shrine became one of Japan's most celebrated scenic spots, alongside Matsushima and Amano Hashidate. In 1996, it was officially registered as a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site. Today, millions of visitors come each year to admire the floating Torii, wander through the shrine's corridors, and experience the harmony of architecture, sea, and mountain.
Potato.
Two?
Two.
Il y en a un paquet. On va le partager avec. はい、もらいますよ。はいよ、ちょっと待ってね。
ありがとう。
Sorry. Thank you. ありがとう。はい、もらいました。
Love that.
Sit.
Is there a sun figurine?